more. Knock, 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 who's at the door? It's the letters talking more and more. They've got sounds they wanna say. Let's meet the alphabet today. Woo! Yeah! A says A like apple so sweet. B says B like boots on your feet. C says K like car that goes vroom. D says like drum with a boom. E says E like elephant ear. F says F like fan blowing near. We're the talking letters, come and see. We speak in sounds from A to Z. Clap your hands, sing along. Join us in the letter song. G says G like goat on a hill. H says H like hat with a frill. I says I like insect crawl. J says J like jumping ball. K says K like kite in the sky. L says L like lemon pie. We're the talking letters, come and see. We speak in sounds from A to Z. Clap your hands, sing along. Join us in the letter song. M says M like muffin tray. N says N like night and day. O says O like octopus swim. P says P like penguin grin. Q says cool like queen with a crown. R says R like rocket zooming down. S says S like snake in the sun. T says S like train on the run. U says U like under the tree. V says V like violin key. W says W like wiggle and wave. X says K's like a box to save. Y says Y like yo-yo spin. Z says Z like a zebra grin. We're the talking letters, now you know.